Let's look at this algebra question here. Consider the expression 5c squared plus 2a plus e minus ce plus 9. Okay, so the first question here is, how many terms are there in the expression? Alright, so let's look at this expression. Let me rewrite it here. 5c squared plus 2a plus e minus ce plus 9. Alright, so one of the good practices to have is always to group the term together with the sign. So even though there is no sign for the first term, you know that by default, if you don't specify a sign, it is actually a positive sign. Okay, so this is one term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, and this is the fifth term. All right, so the answer for part A is there are 5 terms in the expression. Okay, now let's go on to part B. What is the coefficient of the third term in the order as shown above? Okay, so again, going in this order, so this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. All right, this is the fourth term, and this is the fifth term. So for the third term, all right, what we see that there is a variable e. So what is the coefficient? The coefficient is the numerical value that is in front of the coefficient, that means that is together with the coefficient. So for example, if I look at the second term over here, okay, I will say that the coefficient is positive 2, because positive 2 or plus 2 is the numerical term associated with the variable a. So for the third term, there is no number. All right, so when there's no number, again the implicit understanding is there's actually a plus 1 there, because 1 times e is e. Okay, so for the third term, the coefficient is plus 1. Okay, so the answer for B is plus 1. Okay, and for the last part C, write down the constant term. So what is the constant term? The constant term is a term in the expression that is not together with any variable. Okay, so the variables are the unknown alphabets, correct? The A, B, C, D, E, and so on. So the only term here that is by itself without any variable is the fifth term over here. All right, and that is the constant term. So the constant term is plus 9. Okay, so that is basically how you answer this question over here. Thank you.